loves her pineapple. Mmm. This is the most eager she's been for any food in a long time.
Look, she's like
Sucking all the juice out.
chewing it.
Like how she sees it and she's like, ah, open up.
Can you hear her?
Yeah.
No, she's going,
Oh.
Does it feel good on the gums?
Wait, it's pretty cold. Trying to take it over yourself,
Ew.
right? She's addicted.
Ew.
Super drool.